Actually, we have covered all the machineries excepting only one, that is the turbine, and this one is the Kaplan turbine. So in this chapter, pump, so yesterday we have seen Francis turbine. So the Francis turbine is most efficient turbine. What is the function of turbine? Can anyone? Yes. Can anyone tell me what is the function of turbine?
Hydraulic energy into mechanical energy.
Correct. Turbines are used to convert hydraulic energy into the mechanical energy. Pelton wheel turbine is called as impulse turbine, and flow towards the turbine is tangential flow. In Francis turbine, the turbine is called as reaction turbine because pressure energy is available and at the turbine, and this turbine is called as mixed flow turbine. It means water enters radially to the turbine and leaves axially. Okay, so this one is the Francis turbine. Francis turbines are used mainly when the head is medium and for large discharge. Now last turbine is the Kaplan turbine. So the Kaplan turbine is again, you can see here this image. This image is the Kaplan turbine. Okay. So this one is the actual Kaplan turbine. Such type of propellers are also used in the ships. Okay, but the difference in the turbine and the ship, propeller ज्याला म्हणतो आपण शिपच्या पाठीमागं जहाजाच्या वेगवेगळ्या जहाज आहे त्याच्या पाठीमागं पण अशा प्रकारचे तुम्ही मेकॅनिझम बघितलं असेल. बघितले तुम्ही हे असं?
Yes, sir.
Which is used to push that ship in forward direction. But the difference in turbine and propeller is that the vanes of the turbine are movable. It can be rotated. It can be rotated along the axis. It can be rotated. Here, if suppose here is the joint to the hub, then this vanes can be rotated. So when we have to use Kaplan turbine when the discharge is very high and discharge is very high and when water is available at low head. Okay. So if you observe here, this one is the diagram of the Kaplan turbine. This one is the schematic diagram. Okay, so I already explained that these are not actual diagrams. These are only representation of this diagram. If you observe here, these turbines are reaction turbine, and the flow is of axial type flow. It means water enters axially and leaves also axially. So this one is the axial flow turbine. So this one is related to the turbine, axial flow turbine, which uses large quantity of water at low heads. It is vertical hollow shaft enlarged at bottom called as hub or boss. Okay. If you see here, these are the vanes of the turbine. This one is the shaft fitted to the hub. This हे जे मध्ये मध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे हे हा गट्टू सारखं दिसतंय बघा हे. So this one called as hub or boss. त्याला hub किंवा boss म्हणतो. This one is actually the runner of a Kaplan turbine. Now construction. If you observe here, here again having scroll casing. Now scroll casing that we have seen in Francis turbine also. It is like spiral casing like that. Okay, and if suppose this is the water came from the turbine, okay. So what will happen? I'm drawing here top view. Okay, this one is the top view. So here this runner means Kaplan turbine is mounted. Here we have vanes, but vanes are not like that. Vanes are mounted with some angle. So here this one is the scroll casing. What I want to show, because many times what happens, students get confused. What is that scroll casing? Because it is the cut section. Now what here in the diagram, it is the cut section. When this diagram cut in between or from middle, and if I remove the part, then what I will observe here, this is shown in scroll casing. Okay, get it? समजलं काय म्हणतोय मी? ही जी डायग्राम आहे याला जर मधोमध मी असं कापलं आणि जर अर्धी डायग्राम बाजूला काढली तर या डिरेक्शनने जे काय मला दिसेल ते डायग्राम अशी आहे. ओके, so we have scroll casings, then guide vanes. Guide vanes are here also in Kaplan turbine also. These are the adjustable runner vanes. Adjustable runner vanes, it means the vanes can swing, can swing at their axis. If suppose we consider this is the axis for this hub, then this vane can swing. Okay, then shaft is mounted, shaft is attached to the hub. Okay, this shaft is connected to the generator, and generator converts mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Okay, that whirl chamber, it means electrical energy is generated there and whirling velocity is there. Actually that you don't go in deep for that whirl, because it is related to that whirling velocity, then actual velocity, then relative velocity. Okay, 1 second. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. So what happens? Okay, so this is the hub. Now here again we have draft tube, which convert which increase the pressure energy of water. Okay, this is the construction of Kaplan turbine. Okay, very simple construction. Now working is also very simple. Water start moving from the scroll casing like Francis turbine and moving around the turbine, and through the guide vanes it enters on the turbine, but the position of turbine is towards lower side. For that reason this water enters axially. This water enters axially and leaves also axially. Okay, and when it strikes, when it when it strikes to the veins, it apply pressure on the veins, and due to that pressure, due to that force, this shaft start rotating. Okay, this one is the simple working. समजलं तुम्हाला working याचं? I will show you one video also, so you will get clear idea how it works. Turbines. So many files are open on the desktop, so it will take. Is that screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to, you can observe here, this one is the turbine which is works on low head and high flow. When the discharge is more, at that time we can use this Kaplan turbine. So this one is actual turbine. When water flows through the scroll casing, it enters through the guide vanes. These are the guide vanes which guide the water towards the turbine. Which guides the water towards the turbine. When it strikes on the vane, water strikes on the vane, runner start rotating. So this one is the draft tube, which is used to increase the pressure. This one is the very important component, that is runner. And these are the vanes. If you observe here, the water glide or slide over these vanes. When it slides over these veins, it apply force on the veins, and as the veins are connected to the hub start rotating. This hub is connected to the generator. This one is the flow, which is parallel to axis of the turbine. So these turbines are axial flow turbine. So these are the guide vanes which guide the water towards the turbine. When the water flow is less, at that time, by adjustment of that vanes, guide vanes, we can supply water to the turbine. This is related to the relative velocity and that angle, which is a part of calculation to how to find out the efficiency of this turbine. So this one is the velocity, or we can say a relative velocity, and this one is the another velocity. So again, we have calculations on that Kaplan turbine, so we can find out the efficiency of the Kaplan turbine. So when water flow is very high, these vanes can swing vertical, and when flow get low, the adjustable blades are moving towards horizontal. like this. When flow is high, it will move like this. Like this. When flow is very low, at that time the vanes can be move or swing like this. This facility is not available in the propeller. Guide vanes are controlling the flow flowing towards the turbine. Previously it was working, it worked with manually, but nowadays these guide vanes are automatic. They move automatically. So the water which is enter into the scroll casing having high pressure, and when it leaves to the Kaplan turbine, the pressure goes on decreasing below the atmospheric pressure. So to increase that, we have to use draft tube here. So they given material also, stainless steel material is used for the turbine. Okay, so this one is the Kaplan turbine. Is anybody having any doubt how it works? हॅलो, कोणाला काही शंका आहे का याच्यामध्ये? So if nobody having any doubt, please draw this diagram. Diagram काढून घ्या ही. When you complete this, let me know into the chat box. What is the difference between the Francis turbine and the Kaplan turbine? So the Francis turbine is a what we can say, mixed type flow turbine, and water flowing here in the Kaplan turbine is axial type flow turbine. Okay, I have one more video also here which compare all three turbines. Okay, once you complete this diagram, we will see this comparison. असाइनमेंट ब्लॅक पेन लिहिली तरी चालते, काय अडचण नाही.
हॅलो,
बोला.
हा सर, असाइनमेंट मध्ये फक्त डायग्राम काढायचे ना?
हा, फक्त डायग्राम आणि त्यांची नावं,
हा बरं चालेल.
आणि त्याच्या खाली एमसीक्यू देतो मी आज. ओके तुझ्या.
हा सर. हा
ओके सर.
ओके. So with this turbine, we have completed our first chapter, in which we have studied power absorbing devices and power producing devices. In power absorbing devices, we have pump, in that reciprocating pump, then centrifugal pump. The function of pump is to lift water from lower level to higher level by adding pressure energy in the water. Then another machinery, that is compressor. The function of compressor is to compress the atmospheric air for different applications. Okay, so in that we have studied two compressors. First one is the reciprocating compressor, and another one is the vane compressor. Another one is the vane compressor. So these four devices are power absorbing devices. It means to run these devices or to function these devices, they need energy. Okay, and they absorb energy. For that, we can say these devices are power absorbing devices. Then next is power producing devices. In that, turbines are added in our syllabus. The turbines are hydraulic turbines. These three turbines are the hydraulic turbines. So in that, first one is the Pelton wheel turbine, second one is the Francis turbine, and third one is the Kaplan turbine. Okay. Whether you complete this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will wait for 2 minutes and then proceed for the video of these three turbines together. Okay. So I will share here now the video of comparison. Are you able to see this video?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
These three turbines are here. So very small comparison is given here. So this Pelton turbine is the impulse turbine and Kaplan turbine is the reaction turbine. So in Pelton turbine, only kinetic energy is available, so we can call it as impulse turbine. So when high inner water energy available at high head, at that time we can use this Pelton turbine. When the head is low and discharge is more, at that time we can use this Kaplan turbine. The Kaplan turbine is purely reaction turbine. This Francis turbine is comes in between this Pelton turbine and the Kaplan turbine. So here having both force or both energies, pressure energy as well as kinetic energy. So F reaction, it means pressure energy, force due to pressure energy. This is related to head and discharge. If you see efficiency, that efficiency of Francis turbine is more as compared to these two other turbines. This one is the tangential flow turbine, where the water strikes to the turbine tangentially. Francis turbine is the mixed type flow turbine, where the water enters radially and leaves axially. And Kaplan turbine is the pure axial flow turbine. Okay. So do you get it? समजलं सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So today with this we will stop here. In next lecture we will start new chapter. Is anybody having any doubt up to this? ह्या चॅप्टर मध्ये कोणाला काही शंका आहे का?
No, sir.
एखादा पॉइंट समजला नाही, एखादी डायग्राम समजली नाही, असं काय असेल तरी पण आता विचारा. Otherwise we will stop here. So we will take attendance. Roll number 1,
Present, sir.
2,
Yes, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4. 4 absent. Today is the 15th January. 5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10,
Yes, sir.
11. Roll number 11. 12. 11 is present. Okay. 12. Roll number 12 absent. 13,
Present, sir.
14,
Yes, sir.
15,
Yes, sir. Present.
16 absent. 17 present.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 16. Present, sir.
Okay. 18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present, sir.
20, 20 absent. 21,
Present.
22, 22 absent. 23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present.
27, 27 absent. 28,
Present, sir.
29, 29.
Yes.
Okay.
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32, 32 absent. 33,
Present.
32 is present. 33, 33 absent.
Present, sir.
Okay. 34, okay. 34 is present. 35 present.
Yes, sir.
36,
Yes, sir.
37,
Yes, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Yes, sir.
41,
Present, sir.
42,
Yes, sir.
33,
Present.
44,
Present, sir.
45,
Present, sir.
46,
Present, sir.
47, 47, 48,
Sir, 47 present.
okay. 48, 48 absent. 49, 49,
Present, sir.
okay. 50,
Yes, sir.
51, 52,
Present, sir.
53,
Yes, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55, okay. 56, 56 absent. Okay, 56 is also present.
Sir.
Okay, 56 is also present. 57,
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
58, 58. No, 58 is absent. 59,
Present, sir.
60,
Present, sir.
61,
प्रेझेंट सर.
62, 62. Absent. So absent roll number 12,
20 present, sir.
20
Made
present
tonight.
आहे. Okay, 22 absent, 27 absent, 48 absent, 58 absent, 62 absent. Okay, with this we will stop here. We will meet in next lecture. So thank you all of you. सगळ्यांनी त्या डायग्राम काढायला चालू करा आणि एमसीक्यू दिले की लगेच त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड करा परत.
सर थेरी पण लिहायचं आहे का?
नाही, फक्त डायग्राम काढायचे. ओनली डायग्राम्स. ओके, थँक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.
Sir, whole chapter writing.
होल चॅप्टर
Writing compulsory or not?
नाही, चॅप्टर लिहायचा नाही. मी अजून एकदा व्यवस्थित सांगतोय, ऐका. चॅप्टर मधल्या फक्त डायग्राम काढायचे आहेत. सगळ्यांना समजलं का?
Yes, sir.
कपलान
Yes, sir.
टर्बाईन नाव लिहायचं, कपलान टर्बाईनचं डायग्राम काढायची, त्याला नावं द्यायची. संपला विषय. असाइनमेंट साठी सांगतोय मी. ओके.